Hey guys, it's Ben from Currys, and today we're looking at 3 top features of some impressive Google security products. There's painless wire-free installation, you can see key details in all kinds of light, and you can check in 24/7 from anywhere. So I'm going to head over to the test lab where I'm meeting up with content creator ASBYT, and we're going to check these out in more detail and see how these products can work together. Now we've cooked up something amazing and I'm excited to show you. So Adam, welcome to the lab.
Thanks for having me.
We've built a house just for you. What do you think?
Oh, it's wonderful. Might be a bit drafty in the winter, but other than that, should be good.
Okay, nice. The first thing I want to show you is the painless wire-free installation with the Google Nest doorbell battery. At the minute, it's currently charging because that's part of the installation process. So we're going to go to the Google Nest Home app. So we go to doorbell, Nest doorbell battery. We go to the QR code.
So literally just following the instructions on the app.
Yeah.
That easy.
As you can see, I'm not putting that much into it. And that's it. It's done.
Job done, painless.
Exactly. So I'm just going to unplug it from the charger and get him on the door. That's it. Now, would you like to enter my house and see what else is going on? So everything that we've done so far has been just using the phone.
Yeah, so that's really cool because I've got a lot of friends and family, for example, that like the idea of something like this, CCTV, etc., to see this postman and see what he's bringing, but they don't like the idea of having someone come over and wire the house up, etc., because it's it's time consuming, it's difficult for people. This is really simple.
Yeah, nice. And really quick as well. So if we could have some visitors, please.
There he is.
There he is.
Someone's at the front door doorbell.
That's pretty cool. Hello.
Postman calling.
Okay, yes, lovely to see you, Mr. Postman. I actually can't get to the door right now, but if you just pop it on the doorstep, that'd be wonderful.
Right, and then we can just end the call like this, right? So he's just dropped off some Nest Cam batteries, which we've set up in as easily a process as we've just done there.
There you go.
So the next thing we're going to talk about is getting key detail in all kinds of light. So if you want to take a seat, these are the Nest Cam batteries.
Oh, okay.
Set up in the same wire-free way, super painless, magnetic, so you can do what you need with them.
Yeah.
Which is really nice. Now the thing we're going to talk about here is the HDR, so its ability to adjust for different lightings. These can be used indoor, outdoor, so whatever the context, it's going to do what it needs to do. So I'm going to head over to the hub, head on over to the home control, and then have a look. So just to test it a little bit, we're going to go, Jamie or whoever's on lights, could you turn all of them on as bright as they go, please?
Presumably this is, if you're in a really sunny environment, for example, you'll still be able to pick up really nice detail.
Yeah. Now it can also go the other way. It can deal with really dark light and even
Why are you smirking?
A night vision mode. I'm not smirking. But before we put the lights down, would you mind could you put that blindfold on for just a second? Right, so can you see just then, it clicked into grayscale because now we are in night vision mode. So let's make this place as dark as possible.
Do I look cool, by the way?
The coolest you've ever looked. Right, we can see a little something that Adam can't. I'm going to switch over to the phone. So I've got the same view on my phone and we're going to take a step out. I could talk to Adam using the speaker, but just for ease, because he's just across the curtain, I'm not going to bother with it because we don't need to. Oh yeah, you can take your blindfold off now, mate. On the floor in front of you is a maze that's been taped out.
Okay.
The challenge is I'm going to walk you through the maze without touching the tape. You're quite tall, so can you show me what a big step looks like? Okay, nice. Let's do one more of those, same direction. Ooh, okay, 90 degrees to your left. And then maybe the smallest step you've ever done for a tall man. And then your last big brave step forward. And you're out. Congratulations, Adam. How much could you see in
That's
there?
a lot more than I could see. I could vaguely see bits, but not like a map like that. That's really impressive.
So obviously the main benefit to all of this is that you can check in 24/7 from wherever you are, which is a really nice factor and really nice feature to use. The Nest doorbell battery actually can differentiate between people, parcels, vehicles, animals. So regardless of what happens in front of your door, you're always covered. And like we've been using the whole way through, you get that two-way communication. The talk button is the same across every device. So Same as the Nest Cam, you can use your communication to it, like just to reassure your dog, or it will alert you if there is motion that you maybe weren't expecting. So it keeps everything nice and secure.
Yeah, I mean, from my point of view, I think it's a great bit of kit for those who are maybe possibly a bit of a technophobe, and everything's really simple as we've seen to install. It's getting dark, of course, we're getting into winter time, so it's good to keep your house nice and safe.
If you'd like to find out more info about these Google security products, you can visit us in store, head online, or chat to one of us on a Shop Live video call.